Hello everyone, I'm going to design a side swept undercut hairstyle. The model has small hair volume. Adjust his hair volume first with Vern Texturizing scissors 6EA and 6EB, aided with bun bridge. You can texturize next to the scalp and add the hair root simultaneously. Use the clipper to cut the bottom part of hair shorter. Because I already texturized and take off some hair volume, clipper over comb becomes especially smooth. Combine Vern styling scissors 6EE, cutting scissors 6E, and texturizing scissors 6EB together. Apply texturizing to cut for cutting length. A natural hair ends effect can be done all at once. Pay attention to this part. I can easily achieve it by both hands. Combine Vern Texturizing scissors 6EB, Vern bridge and 6EC. Texturize at the hair root and middle parts of hair. Pump up hair by giving hair a lift and create sense of spice.
If you like this video, do not hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe.